We're spending 24 hours in Valparaiso, Chile's most colorful city, known for its bohemian culture where street art is legal and celebrated. Internationally renowned artists like Inti and the local duo Un Color Distinto have left their marks all across the hills. The city's steep terrain gave rise to its iconic funiculars. These help connect the vibrant hillside neighborhoods. The city has so much history that in 2003, Valparaiso's historic center was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So join us as we explore the iconic Cerro Alegre and Cerro Concepcion, enjoy some insane street art, ride the funiculars, and show you exactly how to spend 24 hours in this unforgettable city, Valparaiso.
Wow.
This thing's from the 1800s.
Is that as far as it goes?
Yeah.
It was a lot shorter than expected, but it was really cool. And there's a good view from up here, so that's nice.
And it's like all made out of wood, very antique.
Yeah.
Una noche buena, sin un solo juguete, sin un pedazo de pan.
There's a lot of these little art galleries around, so we just hopped in one, and this one is sick.
Dejaban sus regalos en medio del zaguán. Yo sé lo que es
It's super punk here.
This is one of the things we wanted to check out. It's called the 13 Stairs, and Dylan pinned it on the map, and now we're here, and it's really cool. I think it's kind of ironic because there's definitely more than 13 stairs here.
We're both feeling sick today.
Yeah, we're sick, so we're not in the highest spirits, but we're still out here, we're still doing it, and that's what it means sometimes, is just showing up, even when you don't necessarily want to.
All we have is 24 hours, so we gotta make the most of it. Look at this, you just turn the corner and there's more art.
This is so colorful.
Oh my gosh.
It's slick.
It's gonna be so pretty. We just had some doggies come and join us on the beach. Little beach pups. This one's a little feisty.
He's a nibbler. He kind of like grabs the jacket and tries to like nibble at your skin.
They just want some love.
Free to roam.
They're just beach pups. Bye. Bye. See ya. On to the next person. On to the next people.
Just here to get some extra love.
We just saw sea lions. I guess there's sea lions here, and it was so magical to see them at the sunset. Okay, so we came and sat down at the restaurant, got some tea right on the ocean.
This looks so good. This feels familiar. It's been in Peru for so long.
Good morning from Valparaiso. We are on our way to Plaza Anibal Pinto and we are going on the 10 a.m. walking tour. This was the only one that we could make with our time schedule for 24 hours other than the 3 p.m. one, but we are gonna take you with us as we check out all the cool architecture.
Our guide just told us that Chileans speak so fast for this specific reason, because there's earthquakes here, there's tsunamis, there's forest fires that happen a lot. You don't really know, what's gonna happen, so talk fast. We're on the only manual ascensor here in Chile. 52 degrees up. That was steep.
Bueno, ahí está la máquina.
Stopped at this coffee shop and they showed us what coffee they use and how they're grinding it in the machine they have, which is really cool. Nice little workshop.
Silography. Se tinta, se pasa a la máquina, que es manual, ya, se monta y se imprime en papel.
Para que la tinta entre solo por los espacios que nosotros queremos. Y ahí nos dejan el registro.
Generalmente cuando uno habla de trabajo, de
Well, that is that. We are done with our tour and we have 45 minutes to pick up our laundry and go to the bus. So another rushed evening.
Another rush day. What is going on with us lately?
It's supposed to be 2 hours.
We're not used to fast traveling, guys. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I'm cut out for this fast travel life.
It's a little more stressful, that's for sure.
Yeah. But wow, you get to see a lot of cool stuff in a quick amount of time.
We barely made it get onto the bus. Less than 10 minutes left, thankfully, but we are on our way to Santiago, and we have a few errands to run before we take our flight to Bolivia tomorrow, which is our last South American country on our backpacking trip. So thanks so much for coming with us. We hope that you enjoyed Valparaiso as much as we did, and we can't wait to see you guys in Bolivia. Bye!